Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Hannah Montana on Dress to Impress. Grab this hair and color it this blonde. I'm like a little bit lagging, so please don't mind that. Go to bangs and select this hair. Color it this hair color as well, and I'm just going to position it so it's downwards a little bit. Okay, maybe not that much. Maybe like this much. And then for the outfit, you do need one VIP item, but if you don't have it, you can use something else. Select the scarf and color it this color in A3B0A5 in glitter. And then grab this top here and color it this pattern. This one, I think. And then brown. I think I actually used this one. And then for the leather jacket, I used this one because it's like a crop version from Codes. Where is it? Oh. This one here. Turn off watermelon and color it this like tone for both of that. Oh, I'm really lagging. Grab these jeans, and then I am also going to get the boots from Codes, this one, in the long toggle. Select support patterns and color it white, and then white again, and then this color. And then this color again, but in matte. Okay. That is so annoying. Okay, color both of that in matte. There we go. Grab these glasses, and I'm just going to leave it like that. Scale it down a little bit, and we're just going to rotate it too, so it doesn't cover the eyes as much. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging so much. And just scale it down, and that's Hannah Montana. That is it. You can obviously get microphone too. I know the sides don't look that good, but I can't do anything about it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.